Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am trying on the second half of my closet because if you guys didn't see, recently I tried on everything in my closet, but not actually. I just tried on tops. So today I'm going to be trying on everything else in my closet. So jeans, shorts, skirts, leggings, cropped leggings, dresses. If you guys haven't seen the part 1, I would love if you guys could check it out because you guys can get to know my style a little more. Right now it's kind of a rough season for me. I don't really fit in any of my jeans, so all of them are going to be a little tight on me, but it's okay. My Poshmark is linked down below, and let's just get started with the video.
Are you still there?
This is the first pair of jeans I have. These are the Old Navy Rockstar jeans, and I've had these for so many years, and I think they're so nice. I don't really wear white jeans a lot, but when I do, I always go to these. I'm going to be keeping these. This is the second pair of jeans I have. These are from Garage. They're high-rise jeans, but I think they actually changed the name to mid-rise because they realized these are not high-rise at all. They only go up to like about here, which is below my belly button. They're starting to fade too, which is kind of unfortunate, but this next pair of jeans is just a basic everyday pair of jeans I could wear. They are a little bit weird because it's like really light here and then like darker towards the edges, but these are just nice for everyday wear. They're from American Eagle, so these just have no rips and I like them a lot. This next pair of jeans is my favorite pair of jeans that I own, I think. It's either between these or the next pair of jeans I'm going to be trying on, but I love these. These are from Garage. They're in their girlfriend collection, and I think they're so comfortable. These are honestly more comfortable than leggings to me, and they have a ton of rips, which I love. This pair of jeans is again one of my favorites. I think it's between these and the last jeans I tried on for being my by far favorites. I wear these at least once a week. I love them so much. They're from American Eagle. This is like the perfect wash of jeans between like light and dark wash. These next pair of jeans are from American Eagle. I am not keeping these because I don't fit into them. I cannot button them. And they're just really tight in my thigh area. They fit everywhere else. Like, just if the thigh area was a little more baggy, they would probably fit. No, they just don't fit. These next jeans are from American Eagle. I love these. I love the idea of these, but not exactly how they fit. These are a size up from my normal size, and I think they fit pretty nice, but I just don't really like the style of them because they are like a little lighter washed, and light wash jeans just aren't the most flattering on me. They're cute, but not really my favorite, but I'm still gonna keep them because of their comfort level. This next pair of jeans is again from American Eagle, but I just don't wear them because I'm scared to go outside of my comfort zone. I like the idea, just not on me. I think they make me look really short, and I'm not short, so I don't really appreciate that. I feel bad that I made my mom spend full price buying these for me if I'm not even gonna wear them. So these are a no. This next pair of jeans is from Garage. They just have rips here. I love these because I busted through them, so now the rips are like on the side, but I like that little like skater vibe. I don't know. I don't like the comfort level of these. I think American Eagle is definitely a better option, but I'm still gonna keep them because I like them. This next pair of jeans is from Hollister. I don't really like Hollister jeans. I only have 2 pairs, I think. I don't really like how they fit. They are cheaper, which is why I keep buying them, but I don't like them at all. These are the only Hollister jeans I'll wear because they are 2 sizes bigger than normal. If I buy my actual size, they're not comfortable at all. And then the last pair of jeans I own is just from Hollister. I like the idea of these. Don't like how they fit. They're in the longer style. I thought I would like them because I am taller. I'm like 5'10", but they're a little bit too long, I think, for me. But they're from Hollister, so they're not very comfortable. I'm going to keep these. So next, as you guys can see, I'm going to be moving on to shorts. And this is the first pair of shorts that I own. They are from Hollister. Unlike their jeans, I love their shorts because they are a little bit more inexpensive than American Eagle. And I'm not too picky about shorts. This is probably the shortest pair that I own. Here they are. The next pair of denim shorts that I have are just from American Eagle. These are the only American Eagle shorts I think that I own, just because they are a little pricier and I don't like spending money on stuff like that. They have a bunch of rips all over, but none of them are like see-through, which I like. This is the next pair of shorts I have. These are actually from TJ Maxx. I'm not sure of the brand. These are probably the shortest ones I have. I do not wear them all the way like that. I normally like pull down shorts that are very short like that because I'm not into that vibe, but they're just a nice like medium to lighter wash. These are from American Eagle. I thought I only had 1 pair, but I forgot about these because these are not even shorts. I wore these to a concert once, decided to wash them because concerts are disgusting, and they got completely messed up. As you guys can see, these little like extra fabrics here, don't really know what they're doing there. I mean, they're cute, I guess, but like, no. I'm not keeping those. This next pair of shorts is from Hollister. Again, they're really similar to the other ones I tried on first, but I like these better because they are very high-waisted, so if I want to pull them down like I do, I can just pull them down and have it be fine. These are my go-to shorts. This is the last pair of denim shorts I own. These are from Hollister again. I like these because they're like a mom, I think they're like mom fit or boyfriend fit, I don't know. But they are a lot more covering and I think they're much better for in front of the family. And I like these a lot. So now that I'm done with all my denim shorts, I'm going to move on to trying on my cloth shorts and like more fabric-y, like non-denim shorts. So this is the first pair I have. They are from Zaful. They look really weird right now. They look good with this little two-piece that I have because they're like really high-waisted. So I have like a little croppy like gingham top that I like to wear with it. These don't look the best right now with this outfit, but I promise they are cute in the summer. I get a lot of compliments on them and I like these. They're inexpensive. I got them sent to me for free from Zaful. This next pair of shorts, again, is like a two-piece thing, so it doesn't look good on its own, but they are super cute. They're from Zaful. They're just a lighter gingham, and they tie just like the last ones did. I don't know if I said that. This is the next pair of fabric shorts that I have. These are from Forever 21. I love these. Last year during the school year, I got so many compliments on them. They're so great because they have pockets. The last pair of linen shorts that I have is from TJ Maxx. Last summerish, springish. I'm really into shopping there. These are like the same style as literally all the ones that I've tried on. They tie up here. They just have some stripes. They have pockets, which is great. Now I'm going to move on to all my denim skirts. So the first one I have is here. It's like a weird, I love this one, but also hate it at the same time. It's not the most flattering. It makes my hips look really wide. This is from TJ Maxx. And I like this because in the back, it does go like a little longer, so it's really nice. But I like this one, so I'm gonna keep it. The next skirt I have is this one from American Eagle. This is on the shorter side because I am a giant, so everything's gonna be short on me, and I like it a lot, so I'm gonna keep it. This next one is from Hollister. It is the shortest one I have, but this one like isn't big enough for me so that I could like pull it down, you know? So it is just like this. It's just a black skirt and has some holes, which I like how like it actually shows your skin through. This is definitely not in front of your family skirt. It's definitely like a more like party skirt. This here is the last denim skirt I have. It's from PacSun. It's the most recent one I bought. I bought it right before back to school. I like this because it's more like dressy, I guess. It is just light wash and then dark wash, but I like this because I think it's more like classy and like you can wear it with like more fancier tops. The next category I'm moving into is dresses, and I'm not about to change out of the sports bra, so deal with it. This is the first dress I have. It is from my 8th grade dance. Pretty short. This is from Lulu's. They actually sent me 2 by accident, so I have 2 of them. Oh, and also the back is really cool because it's like strappy. I can't zipper this, so sorry. This next dress is not my favorite dress ever. I bought it last minute for my friend's little like church event thing for her quinceañera. It has like a lot of like floral embellishment in here, and I like the color a lot, just not the style. It looks a little old school, childish. This next dress is from Forever 21. I got it last summer. It doesn't fit me anymore because, again, rough life. It's also very short on me. I did grow a few inches, but it's very short, so I'm not keeping this, and also it just doesn't fit. This next dress is just really nice to have because I like to wear it to school. So this is from Old Navy, I believe. I have this exact same one in black, so I'm not trying it on, but I do have it in black. This next little outfit is a romper from PacSun. I wore it on the first day of school. I'm obsessed with it. I think it's the cutest thing ever. It's just so like playful and childish, and I love it. But in the back, the straps were actually too long, so I crisscrossed them, and life hack. Do that if your straps are too long. This next little outfit is again a romper. I love rompers for the summer. This is from Hollister, I believe, and I couldn't button it in the back, so it's a little very loose right here. But I think it's just really cute. It's kind of like very out there, but I think it's nice for like a nice spring dinner. This next outfit is from Zaful once again. I got it last summer, sent it to me, but I haven't really worn it before. If I don't wear it after this summer, I'm just gonna sell it because I don't know, there's no use to it. This next dress is from Forever 21. I got it last summer, and I like it. Very tight, but I think it's okay, I guess. This next dress I like to call my teacher dress. I had a teacher in 7th grade that would always wear stuff like this, but this is from Francesca's. I wore this on the last day of school last year, and I think it's ugly, but it's cute because it's ugly. I don't know. And it is a little short, but it's cute, so I'll keep it. This next dress I wore on the last day of 8th grade. I remember. It's cute. It's from Garage. I got it for like 10 bucks. A good casual dress to have, so I'm gonna keep it. This outfit I wore to school on my birthday last year. I think this is probably by far one of the cutest things that I own. I think it's so cute. I love this so much. It's from American Eagle, and I'm definitely keeping this. This next dress I wore to a quinceañera last year. Shout out to you, Gabby. This is so cute. I love this so much because it's like tight, but like not too tight. So like I still got room to eat, and it's just like love. This next little jumpsuit thing I wore to my birthday party last year. I think it's really cute, from American Eagle. The yellow dress, by the way, was from Bloomingdale's. This was a little pricey, but I think it's really cute, and I will definitely wear this again to something. And I think the bottoms of it is cute too. It has like the print. This is so short. Next dress is supposed to be like tied here, but I just don't want to do that because it's gonna choke me. I wore this to my 8th grade graduation. I like how it fits up here, but down here a little bit too short for my liking. And this is the last thing I'm going to be trying on. I love this. I actually wore this to my uncle's funeral a couple years ago, so it's really sentimental, so I'm going to keep it because of that reason, and also just because it's so cute. I will probably never wear this ever again, but it's so cute, and I love it so much. Just kidding, this is not the last thing I'm trying on. I forgot I have 2 more things I think that I have in my other side of my closet to try on. This next outfit is from Express. I think it's super cute to wear like an event, which I was supposed to wear this to an event, but it got canceled. Oh, it has pockets, which is A+. I'm keeping it because it's cute and I haven't worn it yet. This is the last outfit I have to try on. This is actually a romper from, I think it's from Showpo, but this is so cute. I like how it like looks like a dress kind of, but it's actually a romper. I'm not done. I still have to try on leggings. Oh my god. Now we're moving on to leggings, and not all of them I'm going to be showing in this video because a lot of them are in the wash right now. Like as we speak, literally all my black leggings are in the wash. This first pair of leggings is from Lululemon. These are the Train Times 7/8 pants. I love these because like they're like a lighter wash. I love these because they have like a little mesh strip here, and I like this a lot. The next pair of fun leggings that I have is actually from Abercrombie, which I would have never think to buy my leggings there, but I just liked the color, I guess. On the side, there's like these slits. Next, I have these black leggings from Old Navy. I really like Old Navy's leggings, and I think I want to buy some more, but I have 3 or 4 pairs of these. They're just black and a little bit cropped. Next, I just have these 2 pairs. These are the exact same style, just different colors. So they're by the brand 90 Degree. If you are looking for a similar, I guess, to Lululemon, I would recommend these because they are kind of similar. And last but not least, I have my Lululemon Align leggings. These are in navy. I also have them in black. These are probably my favorite style leggings that I've ever owned because they are so stretchy. I do not like wearing any other leggings. We are done. We are done just in time because I'm just about starting to sweat, and I do not like being sweaty. So that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and commenting down below if you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below because I really appreciate it. And also, if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out on my channel, or maybe if I'm feeling like a good YouTuber, I'll link it down below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time I upload. Peace out. Ooh, yeah.